Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes an oath in the glorious Quran in Surah Fajr, chapter number 9, verse number 1 and 2, where Allah says, Wal Fajr, Walayalin Ash, by Fajr, by dawn, and by the 10 nights. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking the oath of Fajr and by 10 nights. Here the Mufassirin say, when Allah is taking the oath, Walayalin Ash, that is by the 10 nights, it is referring to the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Now people will wonder, why does Allah use the word nights when He's referring to the days of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah? This is common in many languages. If I have to say in English that I spent 10 days in New York, but naturally when I say I spent 10 days in New York, it means I spent 10 days and 10 nights in New York. It's understood. When I say days, many a times the nights is included. Similarly, in Arabic, when days are mentioned, the nights are included. And when nights are mentioned, many a times even the days are included. It can only mean night, it can be day and night also, it can mean only day, depending upon the context.